Creating faceless videos for YouTube is a popular approach for those who prefer not to appear on camera. Here's a concise guide on how to make faceless videos, incorporating various methods and tools. Steps to create faceless YouTube videos. Choose your content type: screen recordings. Capture your computer or phone screen to create tutorials or walkthroughs. This is effective for tech-related content or educational videos. Animations. Use animation software to create engaging content. Tools like InVideo or Doodly can help you create animated videos without showing your face. Stock footage. Utilize stock video libraries to compile footage that fits your narrative. Websites like Storyblocks and Motion Array offer extensive collections of stock videos. 1. Slideshow presentations. Create videos using slides, which can include text, images, and voiceovers to convey your message. 1. Script your video. Write a clear and engaging script outlining the introduction, body, and conclusion. This will help maintain a smooth flow and keep viewers engaged. Include a call to action (CTA) at the end to encourage subscriptions or interactions. Use AI tools for video creation. Leverage AI-powered tools like InVideo or Flicky to generate videos from text prompts. These tools can create scripts, select stock footage, and even add voiceovers, simplifying the video creation process significantly. 5. Editing your videos. Video editing software to compile your footage, animations, or slides. Programs like iMovie for Mac or Shotcut for PC are great for beginners. Ensure to add background music and sound effects to enhance engagement. Voiceovers and narration. If you prefer not to use your voice, consider using AI-generated voiceovers. Many AI tools can provide various voice options, allowing you to select the tone and style that fits your content. Optimize for YouTube. Once your video is complete, optimize it for YouTube by creating an engaging thumbnail and writing a compelling description. Use SEO tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to help with keyword research and video optimization. Conclusion. Creating faceless videos on YouTube is achievable through a combination of strategic planning, the right tools, and creative content. By utilizing screen recordings, animations, stock footage, and AI tools, you can produce engaging videos without ever showing your face.